Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I'm trying here to save this driver door panel for my friend for this 87 300D, and looking at it, right, this is completely ripped off. These were the spots where it was attached to the door panel, right? Some of them here, you can see them ripped off, right? These are the holes, remaining areas. But looking at it, I realized that one of the most important things will be attach this hook, which I fortunately found inside of the door. Will be needs to attach here, because that's actually what is grabbing on that steel part of the door and then holds this entire handle, right? If we look at it this way. So everybody grabs it right here, or right here maybe, but most likely right here. There is the screw, that's not a problem, but the problem is how this will be attached to either this door panel, but better to the steel part of the door. And looking at that design, once again, I'm pretty sure you will agree, this is the crucial piece which should be fixed, which will be actually, right, when you hook it in that steel door, it's actually pushing that entire part on the door, and it makes it super strong. Let's go and see if I can glue it back the way that it's strong again. And to explain what I mean that it's hooking on the door, I will show it, right? This is the inside of the door. We fixed the door check. And these are the holes, right? These are the places where those hooks go inside, right? You see it here, see it there. This is another one, here, here, and here. This is the top one. So I can see how wide it is, right? And basically this is the way you install the door panel. It goes down there. By the way, don't you love this sound? And I will start by cleaning these both surfaces, right? You can even sand it and use some quick glue to attach it together, and then starting building the strength on that entire hook. I don't want to change those surfaces, but as I said, it's always good to roughen them up a little bit, right? And get it ready for gluing together. These two pieces have minimum surface, so basically what I'm using is just to hold it in the place, right? That's all I need. And then I will start building the strength later. And this one actually includes plastic as a material which it will glue. So I will use that, apply both surfaces, and wait 5 minutes to put it together. After 5 minutes, when it's tacky, right? These are the terms. Just put those parts together. The parts are very light. I mean that hook, right? It's very light. So there's not a problem that it will fall apart or something, right? The weight is small. Now it will need to dry. But again, I don't expect any strength of it, and it doesn't matter. Strength I will be building later. This is just keeping it in correct position. To make that hook stronger, I created and bent two pieces of wire, right, which are pretty rigid, and these should help to support this entire hook. So now I will finally be able to mix some strong glue and apply it to that area. First I will put it there without that wire, right? The wire will go after that. Now it will hopefully sink in, right, nicely, and create that strengthening, right, for that entire area, which is obviously under the stress. When somebody pulls on that door panel, right? It's a lot of going on there. And we will see in the future if it can withstand so much pressure. Obviously right now it needs to dry overnight or ideally 24 hours. Now I have 2 layers of this strong glue on that hook, but I would like also attach this handle to the door panel, right? That will make the whole thing stronger. There are these holes, right, from broken off parts, so I will pre-drill areas which are selected, and I will be able to put the screws from the other side, right? My next step is use the semi-flexible adhesive, and I have areas which are nicely touching each other. There's perfect contact right here. So I will simply glue it, following instructions. I will glue it to the panel. It will make it also stronger. And here I have one of these points. They are in the good shape. So I put actually the strong glue in that spot. So I will have another great connection between these 2 parts. And I waited, I followed the instructions, right, on the glues, the drying times for tacky and so on. So I'm ready to put it together. That's a kind of problem because I don't want to be readjusting it after that. But looking at it, this is actually the correct spot. Perfect. And the glue dried overnight. It's nicely attached to the panel. Alright, so that's good. Obviously that's not enough. I mean, I have improved hook right here, right? But I pre-drilled those holes to attach it even stronger. I believe it's right here and this one. So I will start putting those screws there. And I'm finally started feeling that this is strong enough to be installed back in the Mercedes. So I will do that and we will see if this was success or not. And here we can finally together admire fruits of the work, right? So the most stable spot is here where is that 10mm bolt, but this was completely falling off, right? Now I have screws there, but mainly on the other side is that hook which was fixed, and it hooks on the steel of the door. So this is definitely, that will last, and this is a good job. Is it perfect? No. It's old stuff. I couldn't fix absolutely everything on it, but on the other hand, the owner will be able to normally close the door again. We even installed that new door check in different video. So this is huge improvement over what it was. And don't forget to do yourself a favor, be subscribed, because I will have always a lot of videos about the diesel Mercedes vehicles coming to you on this channel. Thanks for watching today, my friend, and have a wonderful day.